everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a neat little, it's a 2000 Jeep Sahara, really cool little Jeep. We actually took it on trade. It is a one-owner, 54,000 original Jeep Sahara. It's finished in black. It's got that tan top, and then it's got the two-tone tan interior. Clean little Jeep. You can see it's got BF Goodrich All-Terraines all the way around it with those American Racing Baja aluminum wheels. 5-speed, 4-liter Jeep. It's got air. Like I say, just a fun little Jeep. Looks like it's been repainted. It's got the custom push bumper on it. Fog lights. I believe this thing was just ceramic coated as well. Tinted glass. Let's see if we got a fingerprint on there. It's got the spare. Got a little rubber pieces popping out of there. It's got a good look. It's got a Skyjacker suspension on it. Really much of a lift or anything, I don't think. It may have a little bit of a lift. I can't tell you I'm a Jeep expert, but again, cool set of aluminum wheels. Yeah, it's got different springs and different shocks on it. Again, front disc brakes. Four-liter inline six. 5-speed manual transmission. Looks like they put a custom cold air intake on it. Obviously power steering, power disc brakes. Does have air. Air blows cold. These things are fun, man. Like I say, at your cabin, that's how I always remember ours. We had one up at our cabin. We had a cabin up north, and we had one of these Jeeps, and man, we just drove it everywhere. They were a lot of fun. And I know the ones we've sold, that seems what a lot of people do with them. They like them for cabins or just second vehicles to kind of play around, go get some ice cream, and factory dash, gauges. It's got an aftermarket Alpine sound system in it. Again, 5-speed manual trans. Like, I think those are factory speakers. I'm not real sure. Again, I'm no Jeep expert. We've had a few of them, but looks like it's got rear defog. See if we can sealer in it to put it up. Stock exhaust, nothing crazy. It really runs and drives good. I mean, it's got a clean Carfax. Seats look good. That seat's nice. Looks in your dash. Everything's got your air on, like I say, it blows cold. Yeah, shut the gas up. Yeah, 54082. All the gauges are functional. Good oil pressure. Good looking set of wheels on it. Third brake light. Backup lights working. Look at our right turn signal out. Like I say, runs and drives.
Okay, but she kept the shoes because they are.
Radio works, blower motor works. I don't know what all that stuff is. That's all factory. I'm not real sure. And he's got another plug that goes back there too. I'm not real sure what that's. Might be those aftermarket lights and stuff too. Oh, we get some sunshine. Oh, we got a front headlight out. That little, we'll check that. It's probably just a plug in. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us. I get asked all the time, how do I see your new inventory? That's the way to do it. Subscribe to our social media, subscribe to our website, and as soon as I post something, like I'll put a sneak peek or a coming soon, I'm always posting stuff as soon as I buy it. Now that doesn't mean these videos are done, but have a great day, guys!